Greetings everyone, this is ATG here. So today, I'll be starting this brand new series called Rustquickie, where in every episode, I'll be talking about a specific aspect of the Rust programming language within a short period of time for every video. So today I'll be going over how do you install the language itself. So I'm running Linux right here, and for Windows it's just like not really different. It's only like you have to run an executable, but I'm going to show you how to install the language first. So first of all, you would go to the official website. I'm going to demonstrate it again, lang.org, and after going into that, you may click on the Get Started button right here. Now there should be a tutorial on how do you install the Rust programming language. So now just see it's a command right here. So I'm going to grab my handy terminal and I'm gonna run the command. So curl --proto equals to https --tls v1.2 --s capital S small f, and then https sh.rust.rs, finally sh. So this would be downloading the Rust installer, and once you have got it, and now I'm going to close off the browser and you have a look at the terminal. Now you can see, welcome to Rust. This will download the official compiler for the Rust programming language and its package manager cargo. And so now you can see it's going to install. So I'm going to customize this installation. So the default host triple is going to be this triple, of course. And then for the toolchain, the stable and beta are updated every 6 weeks, while nightly updates every single day in that 6-week period of time. So I will be installing nightly, but you can install stable or beta. It is like most likely recommended to install the stable toolchain, but I will install the nightly toolchain for the demonstration, this demonstration. And the profile, I'll just say default, and I will modify the path variable. Now it's going to restate the installation options, and if you check this correct, you can just go with 1 to proceed with the installation. So now it's going to download all the components and it's going to install them. Now you can see it's downloading Cargo, Clippy, Rust docs, the standard library, the Rust compiler, and the Rust FMT, which is the formatting tool, and we're just going to wait for the components to be installed. There you go. Now you can see Rust is installed, and you can see it is the nightly toolchain 1.57, and it is the latest date. It's the latest commit hash of the master branch for like the when it branches off master branch. So now I will need to restart my current shell, because if I try running that would say cargo command not found. So let's restart the terminal real quick by closing it off and go into that and run terminal again. Now if I want cargo, it will show up with the Rust package manager, and Rust C would be the Rust compiler. Now that you have installed Rust, thank you for watching, and in the next episode we'll be finally beginning on writing actual Rust code.